Welcome to my channel Puneri Trio. So are you watching my art videos? Do like, share and subscribe to my videos. We are gonna do best out of west activity, and that is fridge magnets from walnut shell. Start with the ladybug. I have taken red and black colors. Let it dry for some time. After that, we will draw the end is our strawberry. For the strawberry, we need to give red color background. Now for the strawberry, we will give yellow dots. For the pineapple, we need to give yellow color background. With the help of black sketch pen, I have drawn pineapple design. The strawberry and pineapple leaves, I have taken a light green paper and I will do dark green color on it. For the octopus legs, I have taken a orange color wool and stick it like this. For the tortoise, I have taken a walnut shell, and for its mouth and legs, I have taken pista shells. And I have sticked the legs with Fevicol. Similarly, I have done eyes with black and white color. I have made boats also. I have colored it with watercolors, and I have attached the stick magnets on the back side.